Ever wondered how everyday plastic items like bottle caps, toys, and phone cases are made? In this video, we'll break down the fascinating process of plastic injection molding, step by step. Learn how molten plastic transforms into precise, durable products, the machines and molds involved, and why this method dominates modern manufacturing. Topics covered. 1. What is plastic injection molding? 2. The 6-step process: clamping, injection, dwelling, cooling, etc. 3. Key components of an injection molding machine. 4. Common materials used: ABS, nylon, polycarbonate, etc. 5. Pros, cons, and real-world applications. 1. Introduction. Look around you. Plastic is everywhere. From the keyboard keys you type on to the medical syringes that save lives, many of these products are made using a process called plastic injection molding. But how does it work? Let's dive in. 2. What is plastic injection molding? Injection molding is a manufacturing process where molten plastic is injected into a mold under high pressure, cooled, and ejected as a solid part. It's fast, precise, and perfect for mass production. Here's why. It can make complex shapes with tight tolerances. Cycle times are as short as 10 to 60 seconds per part. Over 25,000 materials can be used, from ABS to flexible TPU. Fun fact: this technology started in the 1800s with celluloid billiard balls, though they didn't bounce well. Today, it's a multi-billion-dollar industry. The 6-step process. Step 1. Clamping. First, the mold halves are clamped shut with massive force, think hundreds of tons of pressure, to prevent leaks. Step 2. Injection. Plastic pellets are melted in a barrel and injected into the mold cavity at high speed. The screw design ensures even melting. Step 3. Dwelling. Packing. Pressure is maintained to pack the mold fully, preventing defects like sink marks. Step 4. Cooling. Water channels in the mold cool the plastic. This is the longest phase, up to 80% of the cycle time. Step 5. Mold opening. The mold splits open, revealing the solidified part. Step 6. Ejection. Ejector pins push the part out, leaving tiny witness marks. And voila, a finished product. Machine and mold anatomy. The machine has 2 main units: injection unit, hopper, feeds pellets; barrel, melts plastic; screw, mixes and pushes; and nozzle, injects. Clamping unit holds the mold shut with hydraulic force. The mold is where the magic happens. Key parts include sprue, runners, channels that guide molten plastic; gates, tiny openings controlling flow into cavities; water lines, cool the mold evenly; ejector, pins push the part out after cooling. Common materials and applications. Material choice is critical. For example, ABS, keyboards, car parts. Tough but scratches easily. Polycarbonate, safety goggles, CDs, food containers. Chemical resistant but hard to paint. 6. Pros, cons, and real-world examples. Why is injection molding so popular? Pros: high precision, fast production, low per-unit cost for large volumes. Cons: expensive molds, $2,000 to $5,000 plus, long lead times, weeks to months, hard to modify designs. 7. Conclusion and call to action. Plastic injection molding is the backbone of modern manufacturing. From medical devices to your phone case, it's everywhere. Want to see how a mold is designed? Let me know in the comments.
Looking for plastic injection molding companies near you? Choose Mouldible, where innovation meets precision. Let us help you bring your product vision to life. Get in touch with Mouldible today. 24/7 support awaits you on WhatsApp, WeChat, and email. Visit us at number 96-1 Qichin Road, Dongcheng Town, Nansha District, Guangzhou, Guangdong, 511453. China website www.mouldible.com. Email rockolee@longjiang-ltd.com. Mouldible, molding the future, one product at a time.